video.
Oh my god, what the f?
We're at Cascade Falls Regional Park and it's closed right now, but we jumped the fence so we got in.
Yeah.
I was a YouTuber, guys. It's so awkward. I can't do
God. So cool. Now, cut. I'm gonna try my drone for the first time. This is like literally my first time flying it, and we're doing it in front of a waterfall. Hopefully I don't drop my drone. I got it like 3 days ago. We survived! So Ren's gonna try to climb over so I can get like a really cool photo of her from the middle of the suspension bridge. And then she'll stand like on that edge right there. Okay, so we found a path down to where you can get a really good photo for the waterfall, and we're gonna go. It's down there. Now go there and you'll be safe. Oh my god, this is amazing. We're on my The mist is on my face. The camera's wet. Success, you guys.
That was an amazing experience.
That was sick.
Ooh. Be careful. Ah!
I don't know where we're going, but so we're trying to find like other places to go. It's so nice right now because nobody's here. The park is actually closed, like the parking lot, but we just like walked over the gate, and we're following this trail that hopefully that hopefully leads to the top. I did not wear the proper shoes for this. Look at my shoes. Dirty. Okay, so I just fell
On moss.
on moss.
On freaking.
So we're not gonna go to that area right now. We'll
Yeah.
come back with actual proper hiking shoes, not white Vans.
Yeah. If you fell on the moss, how are you gonna even get through the hazardous area?
Yeah, my butt hurts. That was still so fun though.
Ah.
Okay, second time flying the drone. We're gonna try to get it through this like area kind of, and then up. I'm not very good at it, so we'll see.
We need 8 satellite signals to fly, but she's gonna fly with 4 satellite signals. I don't know if this is a really good idea.
So ready?
climb up on that railing right there, jump the fence, and that's where the waterfall goes to.
Jump the fence. Let's do it.
Should we do
Well,
it?
like, not with our shoes. If we come back with hiking
But
shoes, I wore Vans for hiking, and now
Not even
they're
bad,
so
but
bad.
white on white band.
Oh, we need some beaters.
Dude, look.
Whew. Hi guys, we are at Hayward Lake. It was closed when we came in, but we're rebels and we hopped the fence. Now we have to walk 14 minutes because we can't drive because the gates are closed. So we'll see if we make it. How far are we?
8 minutes away.
There's a car. Yo, how do you get here? Yo, low key, that was kind of creepy. Oh my god.
How is he gonna get out? Maybe he has a gate key.
Yeah, maybe. He was just staring at us really weirdly, but
Okay, I'm going.
it's okay. Why'd you do that?
I dipped. I ran.
I think we're close actually.
Like,
I
it's not
see
blue, I'm not-
I see water.
Yeah, I see a cute pink tree.
It's all fenced off. So we made it to Hayward Lake. Unfortunately, there's all this blue fence around it because it's closed. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, what the yo.
Easy. You come.
Really?
Yeah. Then we'll just close it.
Dude, look at that. We're so dumb. What?
Look right there.
Oh, we thought we were cool, but like, there's an opening right there. So we're the only people here because it's actually closed. I love coming here when there's nobody here. It's honestly sick. Oh my god, this is so
beautiful.
nice. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. And be the lifeguard.
Are you in Baywatch?
Wow, it is so nice.
Oh, wait, hold on.
So we are at Hayward Lake now, and this place is so nice. We got takeout from Ocean. What place is it called?
Ocean Pizza Planet?
Ocean, something like that. Ocean. We got takeout from Ocean Pizza Planet, and we got the whole beach kind of to. This is a beach, right?
This is our.
We got this whole lake to ourselves, and nobody else is here except for some ducks. But yeah.
I'm having a Cajun chicken pita with fries and some ketchup.
And I have the same thing as her. And I got lamb souvlaki. And this is the view. So the park rangers kind of kicked us out. We were eating and they came and they told us that we had to leave because the park was closed. I asked if we can stay for another 10 minutes so I can fly my drone, and he said yes. He was like, walk down the trail a little bit and fly your drone there because you're technically not allowed to fly your drone by the beach. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We gotta do this quick.
Hurry up so I can make my Snapchat again. You already had. I just make another one.
They're fighting over the dock space to make Snapchats.
Well, you obviously have to have a good snap.
10 minutes to fly this drone before they kick us out, so let's do it. Out of battery and I'm so freaking far. Okay.
Come to Mama! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm freaking out.
Okay, if this falls right now,
I'm gonna send I'll go in there.
that's a real one.
Ouchie!
Are you okay?
Ouchie! Ouchie!
I love how there's nobody here because of coronavirus and stuff. Like, we've got this whole place to ourselves. Even at the falls, there was nobody there because the gates were closed as well. We're gonna try to walk back to our car now. We hopped the gates, we got the shot. And I think that's a wrap. Curling your eyelashes.
Hey, I think this was a great adventure.
Are you so weird on camera?
I don't know.